at the airport, Terminal 1. So, ito ang itsura ng Terminal 1. There. First time ko rin. So, sama-sama tayong mga first-timers. Hi guys, we are in. Nakalagpo si ate girl ng immigration. Hello guys, board na tayo sa plane. We have arrived! Annyeonghaseyo! Annyeong! So, annyeong! So, dito tayo ngayon sa bus station. Yan. We are going to ride limousine bus. And, ang ganda ng weather guys! Ang lamig! Hi guys! We arrived at Hotel Venue G. Dapat siya yung river kung saan naganap yung isang scene sa Lovely Runner. Done eating! Sarap!
Lamig.
Sarap na lamig dito guys. Ito yung mga inuwan here. There. Ayan na, the Lovely Runners. The runners are running. Wow! Annyeong! And we are done with our hair and makeup. Tapos, ang mga pupuntahan kasi namin ngayon puro lakad. So, ayan. See you later. Bye! Hi guys! Good morning! It's a beautiful morning! Mahangin! Oh my gosh! This is the building, guys! Cute though. It's gonna look like that. There.
Gwangjang.
Gwangjang. Oh my gosh. Wow, street food all the way. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Ang harap guys. Rice punch.
Bigyan ka na ng ganyan, o di.
Ang sarap po, OMG. So simple.
Favorite thing.
This tiramisu is so yummy. OMG. Earth Dome. Lapit sa Hanok Village. Namsanggol Hanok Village. I had to vlog this year kasi ang cute ng faucet nila.
Where's the pin?
Kung ano yung angle. We are at Hanok Village. Hi guys, we are here at a Hanok Village that is not overcrowded. Look at that beautiful place. Here. Wow. So this is what it looks like guys dito sa other side na to. Tapos makakita ka ng mga artifacts here inside. Mga ginagamit nila before. Like that. Mga antique things. And over here, the Eau de Toilette. Yeah. So nice. This is the Ensol Tower. There. This is what it looks like sa taas kapag nag-cable car kayo. Then you go up the stairs there. Maliit na ganyan dito. There. Hello guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa other side ng Lovelocks. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. This is the other side where there are lots of locks. And yung sa amin ng Ocampo family is over here. there. And we'll be back here at Korea with the baguettes. Baguettes, kasi baka hindi lang si Skylar ang dali namin dito. It's locked and loaded here, Korea. So nice na weather here, guys. This is the other side.
Вот, чтобы примерно
There.
было понимание.
This other view.
Вот прямо.
There. There's Korea.
Вот тут вот.
Other side is this one. What's here upstairs? Merong mga stores na ganyan. Tapos may mga kainan there with overlooking view. But the sunset is on this other side. So may mga bilihan din na ganyan. May mga kainan, tambayans, coffee shops, drink shops, 7-Eleven. There are a lot of things here din sa taas. Bye and Seoul Tower! We are in Myeongdong. The street foods are here. Beef bulgogi. Hello guys, this is Korea day 2 and we are going to a palace. Flower field if ever hindi man medyo ano kasi ngayon gloomy. So, it's a little bit raining outside. Then, we are going to Han River if hindi ulit umulan, diba? So, if ever it rains and pours the entire day, baka shopping ang mangyayari for today. Hey guys, we are here at Hanboknam. This is the rates. Then, this is their shop. We also have this options in hair pieces. What do you think? Hi! Ganda ng place na to, guys. This is the secret garden. Ganda, guys.
And the next building is located closer part of the building. I see that the two-story building, this one, considered as like once in a lifetime opportunity to break through all this glass ceiling. So you can imagine how special change is.
Beautiful place, guys.
So, looking at your
Ganda. Super nice place, guys. Grabe. Ganda. So nice. We are at the train station going to Seoul Forest. So we went to this place na papunta sa Seoul Forest, tas puro usok. Usok party! So guys, apparently, what? This is where Wusok sat down. Ito yung Instagram post niya. Dito siya umupo ng winter. Exact spot with the stairs and the bush and this one. There. May picture na kami dito, guys. Hi guys, update. We are in Seoul Forest and this is a very beautiful forest. So again, makikita niyo naman yung mga montage on my reel and also YouTube shorts, Instagram, like that. Ganda dito, guys. Look at that. Beautiful place, right? Night out. We have this one. It's a drink. Bowling. Hello guys. So for the first time, I am going to explore by myself. Tayo punta ng train station. Dahil pupunta tayo ng COEX Starfield. library. Nasa COEX Mall siya. 38 minutes away from our hotel. We'll go there. Wish me luck on my own. We made it, guys. We are here at the COEX Mall and I'm looking for the Starfield Library. Tatali ko kayo dun later. Ito itsura ng mall. It's a mall. Wala namang special here. But it's a mall. There. Tsaka hindi malamig dito, guys. Hi guys, it's checkout day 5 here at Korea, and we are packing. Anyway, ayan. So, meron ako extra ng ganito. Naisiksik ko na lahat ng mga snacks na nabili namin. There! I want more, but I don't know if I can find World Outlet. Baka makakita tayo ng World Outlet later. Pasalubong. Hello guys, I'm walking at the flash ko na lang dito stream, and this is a really nice place or area. Kung hindi ka nagmamadali, you can walk along the stream, as in talagang walk dulo to dulo ganun, and then you'll find other places kasi magkakadugtong lang yung mga places dito because of the stream. Ayun, lakarin nyo na lang kung di kayo nagmamadali. Super nice. At least, ang ganda pa ng weather. Go here mga April to May, ganun. If you want not super cold and not super hot na. Ayan. Ang linis ng stream na to, guys. Ayun, natin yun yung mga ibon. Butterfly. And merong isda. Nakakita ko ng isda kanina. So nice. Hello guys, nasa Yuganay kami. Wala pa yung pagkain. Wait lang. Hey guys, we're going back to Philippines na. Nasa airport. Bus na kami. It's gonna take an hour.